Hello. Yes, I've just installed my Arlo doorbell and I realized that the battery needed to be charged. So I want to show you how to remove the Arlo doorbell battery for charging. This is the pin that you need initially for you to be able to remove the battery, the doorbell itself after installation. Once you've done that, you now need to find where the hole is, which is somewhere at the top. You need to press it really hard for it to loosen. Yes, then you get a click. After that, you just give it a small shake and then voila, it's removed. Now you need to remove it from the back of the camera itself for charging.